Filming again. Yeah. Hi guys, so we're back. We never left actually.
Well, we actually left at our own joke.
Yeah.
They'll be
We
like
always
watching
do
this like,
that. So now we move on to the next palette. Di yan kakarating lang. Matagal na yan. Ilang beses na namin yung ginamit.
Pero, re-restock daw to by January 7? Basta tignan nyo na lang dun sa Kathleen Lights. Basta meron,
Tapos na yung January 7.
yeah, so, baka malay nyo, meron pang stock. So,
Nakita ko online, meron na. Marami
Meron
na
na.
nagpapa-order.
okay.
Basic introduction lang. Sobrang na-excite ako nung narinig ko yung haul ni Miss Michelle nung bumili siya ng Morphe palette kay Pinay Femme College Shop. Kasi doon ko rin nabili tong Kathleen Lights palette. Tapos sobrang tagal ko na talaga naghahanap nito. Ilang gabi na ako hindi makatulog. Charot. Tapos ilang Instagrammers na din yung, ilang shops na yung piniem ko para lang itanong kung available pa. Tapos isa lang talaga yung nag-reply. Pinay Femme College Shop lang yung meron.
Nag-reply? Hindi sila nag-reply kahit sabi nila.
Hindi, nag-reply iba. Sinabi nila wala. So, yun.
Nangaaway na ako kagad.
Yan, binuksan ko to nung birthday ko pa. So, ito yung front ng box. It says Kathleen Lights palette. Tapos may mga ilaw-ilaw lang dyan. Kasi nga, Kathleen Lights. Kasi,
I'm trying to not laugh.
pero, can we just stare at this beauty right here? Kanina, nung nag-wake up ako, tinitigan ko lang siya. I was like, why? How
Thank
does
you for
she,
blocking me out of the camera. Like,
how does she do that? What did you say yes
Yo.
for?
I don't know. So, this is what it looks like. May nakalagay lang na Kathleen,
Morphe
X Kathleen Lights. Kathleen Lights ba talaga pangalan niya?
No.
Puentes. Kathleen Puentes.
Trivia.
Hackerman. Hackerman.
This is how it looks like. Wala siyang mirror kasi ayaw ni Kathleen Lights ng mirror kapag cardboard yung packaging niya. So, another trivia. Yeah, we watch too much YouTube, bro. So, yan yung colors. Very neutral.
That's
very
what's
warm.
up. That's what's up.
Tapos mga ilang cool tones.
Parang sobrang warm, tapos may mga ibang cool. Ito ba yung cool tones na tinatawag yan? Tapos sobrang dark. Ay, joke lang. Tapos ito may pop of color.
Yun.
Color.
So, yeah. That's one. Ito yung pang-highlight. Shimmer yan. Tapos ito, matte yan. Bone color, sabi ni Kathleen. Pwede din siya pa-highlight sa under the brows. Ganun.
Or, di ba ito yung mustard
Yeah,
na
yung mustard.
kulay? Na kulay. Ito yung yan. So, ito, parang
Yan,
orangey.
ito.
Ito
Ah,
nga,
yeah.
orangey thing. Tapos, hindi siya shimmery. Tapos, ito, parang a dose of, parang mas light lang na konti. Pero ito, shimmery. Shimmery siya. Tapos, ito, ito, parang siyang copper na, copper na parang mapula. Yun. Tapos, shimmery siya. Tapos, ito, dark brown lang siya. Dark brown. Tapos, ito ay parang, ano to?
Na dark,
Can we
na
show
pink.
them? Your face.
Yeah, hindi.
Yes, there. So that, there. I don't know how.
Basta yan yun. Tingnan mo, ay, sorry.
Oh my gosh. Ito yan. Tapos ito, parang orangey bronze thing. Tapos ito matte na parang pinkish na dark. Tapos ito red. Reddish talaga siya. Tapos ito, ang ganda-ganda. Sobrang parang moss green. Na sobrang deep. Tapos
Shimmer.
shimmer siya. Yung dalawang to, shimmer siya pareho.
Shimmer.
Tapos, ito, sobrang bright na green. Kitang-kita mo na. Tapos ito, ano naman yan? Ikaw na, reddish bro?
Yeah, parang brick red. Charot.
Yon, brick red, galing. Cut out of YouTuber, my gosh. Tapos ito ay, yes, mustard.
Yes, this is
And
it.
then ito,
Mustard
generic
color.
black lang naman yan.
Kung may ano, nakikita ako eh. I'm hiding.
Ayan, generic black lang siya. Tapos, yan.
Ano siya? So now, we be swatching these on her arm.
Because my arms are wider and fatter.
When you win your front camera.
Yeah, so that's the swatch. That's the swatch.
Those are the swatches. I don't know why I have this accent on. So yan guys. Thank you so much for watching our big faces.
Bye-bye. So yeah, if you forgot, I'm Jem.
I'm Jel.
Yeah,
And this is...
I don't know.
What is this?
Oh yes. So,
By the way.
please, if you liked it, leave a
Don't,
like.
don't say it.
Leave
Don't
a like and if you like it, subscribe. Yes. And may your eyeliners be always be winged. may the wings of your eyeliner always be even. Yeah. Parang literal na yung buong video blooper lang.
By the way, guys, just a disclaimer: we're not bagging or anything. We're just having fun.